Hi, and welcome to Little Bits Honeybee's YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man, trying to clear me a path here to work. First of all, I'm back to about 100% health, getting close. Everything's looking pretty good. Today we're going to start a mini-series on queen production, from the very simplest, anybody can do it, to the more complex, and we're just kind of run them and see how they go. So probably the simplest way to make a queen is to make a walk-away split. Take 3 or 4 frames of open brood and just split it off into a new box. They will make cells on the frames. Hopefully they make them on enough frames that you can just move the frames around and put them in a new colony to get your queens started. You could take a nuke box and pull 2 frames of bees out and move the queen. And then they'll make cells in the box where you left the queen, or took the queen out of. Or you can just go and 4 or 5 different hives, 3 or 4, and pull a frame of open brooding bees and put them in a box, and they'll make queen cells. There's a lot of different ways. This is just a few. You can't cover them all. I mean, there's just so many ways to do it. But on this particular box today, the queen was removed out of there about 5 days ago. So we're going to get in here and see if we got queen cells. I think I got the right knife in my pocket to demonstrate how to cut a cell out. Because when you do it this, they're not going to be always where you want them, always on the frames you want. It's just random. This is the simplest way. You can get, when you do this, you'll get 1 to typically 5 or 6 queen cells. It's random. It's just whatever the bees decide they want to do. Sometimes they just make 1. But if you move the queen to a new split and you've got 1, you've got at least 1 new queen. And that's the thing about raising queens. You've always got to have a box of bees for her to hatch in, because she's got to fly out and get mated. And that's the only way. Well, we'll see what we got here. Since I know there's no queen in this box, and I'm wanting to find queen cells, we're going to start kind of in the middle. Okay. Daggone sun, so bright I can't see nothing. Hopefully. You see these 2 cells right here, 1, 2 right there. And you could cut both of them. I'll show you cutting one here in a minute. But okay, we got 2 cells in there. Let's go on. I'm not gonna walk around back. Sorry about what you're seeing. Okay, they made 3 cells on this one. There's 1 here. One right here. And one right here. So out of this box we've got, what's that, 5 cells? 5 cells so far. Now if you wasn't wanting to cut cells, we got queen cells on 2 different frames. So you could take that frame of bees and give them another frame or whatever and make a split out of it and not even touch the queen cells. We'll just let them go. However many's on there, let them go. That was an older frame of brood, so they didn't make nothing there. Let's see what they done here, if they done anything on this one. Not seeing anything. Nothing on that. Now, the only thing about doing it this way, it's the slowest way. You put your hive out of production longer than anything. From the time you make them queenless to the time you get a mated queen back in there laying, you're looking at 28 days. That's just the way it works. But it's as simple. You don't have to have any skills. If we was going, we've got 2 frames in there. It's got cells on it. This one and this one. We just make us 2 splits. Drop them frames in there with the splits, and come back in 28 days and see if we got us a queen. You know, only 75–80% of the queens return, so it doesn't always happen. But you don't. This is the simplest method. You don't have to know anything about grafting, incubators, or queen starters, or queen mating boxes, or anything like that. Now I'm gonna try to get where I can get this thing focused. Hopefully, and okay, that pile of dirt. Let me get a frame down there and see if I can still get it in focus. I hope this is close enough where you can see it. I don't really know. But this is the simplest one. You would just take your knife, and I like to put my finger on the back side of it to hold it and only cut on the push stroke. And you got it. This one here is an open cell. And you can cut open cells if you're careful. They won't hurt nothing. You can, that cell, you can take that and put in another start and have a queen in 28 days. This, like I say, this is the simplest method. Heck, while I'm here, I'm showing things. I might as well get up here and show this. If you cut a cell, you would just come in here and spread your frames like this. Set that frame in there, that queen cell in there just like that, and just pinch it just a little bit. That's how you put the cut cell in. Nothing to it. But I'm getting kind of caught up. I'm hoping to get some more videos going. Like I say, I'm going to make this into a mini series, so hopefully things will work out and we'll have some more videos out there that you guys enjoy. I am caught up with about all the orders. They are queens available on the website, littlebitshoneybees.com. I do have a few nukes left, but they're pickup only. You can get in touch with me at 812-325-2180. If you enjoy the videos, hit the subscribe button, the bell next to it. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.